In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smooth skin in OpenArt. We'll start right on the OpenArt homepage. Move your cursor over the Images section so the editing options appear, and open the editor by choosing Edit Image. This takes you to the workspace where you can make precise touch-ups without affecting the rest of your photo. Next, upload the image you want to retouch. High-resolution portraits work best because there's more detail for the AI to preserve, especially around pores and fine texture. Once your image loads, you'll see the editing toolbar across the top. Choose the In-Paint tool. In-Painting lets you tell the AI exactly where to make changes by painting over the areas you want adjusted. Think of it like a smart patch. You select the region, then describe the result you want, and the AI blends it seamlessly. Before you paint, adjust the brush size. Use a larger brush for broad areas like cheeks and forehead, and a smaller brush along edges near the nose, lips, and hairline. Carefully highlight only the skin you want to smooth. Avoid eyes, eyebrows, eyelashes, and hair so they stay crisp and natural. If you color outside the lines, clean up your selection before moving on so the results look polished. Now add your text prompt. Keep it clear and subtle. For example, natural smooth skin texture, realistic pores, soft retouching. Phrases like realistic pores help prevent that plastic, over-smooth look. You're guiding the AI toward gentle refinement instead of a heavy blur. Choose a model that fits your needs. Quick is great for speedy previews and light edits. Premium prioritizes quality and detail. Premium ProFlux is ideal when you want the most faithful, high-end finish. If you're unsure, try Quick first to preview, then switch to a higher tier once you like the direction. Set the number of images to generate. More variations give you options to compare, but they take longer and use more credits. 2 to 4 is a good balance for most portraits. When you're ready, click Create. OpenArt will process your selection and apply your prompt to just the painted area, keeping the rest of the photo intact. Finally, preview the results. Zoom in to check skin texture, transitions at edges, and overall realism. If it's too strong or too subtle, tweak your mask size, refine your prompt wording, or try a different model, then create again. With a few quick iterations, you'll land on a smooth, natural look that enhances the portrait